cat and the tail. Hello? This is one shot to the future. What is your goal? To make $1 million. If that is your answer, you have already failed. Money is never the goal. Have you ever seen a cat chasing its own tail? The faster it runs, the faster the tail moves away. Money works exactly the same way. If you make money your primary goal, you create excess potential. You broadcast needing, so the universe gives you lacking. Money runs away from those who chase it. Money is a byproduct. In Transurfing, money is defined as an attribute. It is an accessory, a side effect, a tool. It is not the destination. It is the fuel for the car. When you find your goal, your true passion, and walk through your door, your unique path, money comes automatically. Why? Because the universe needs to give you resources to fulfill your soul's mission. Look at the richest people, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. Did they wake up saying, "I want paper bills"? No, they wanted to build rockets or online stores. They focused on the mission and the money followed like a shadow. Don't stare at the scoreboard. Imagine playing basketball but staring at the scoreboard instead of the hoop. You will miss every shot. Stop staring at your bank account. Stop counting every penny. Shift your focus to the value you are creating. If you are walking towards the sun, your goal, your shadow money, has no choice but to follow you. But if you turn around to catch the shadow, you lose the sun and the shadow. Don't work for money. Make your work so valuable that money begs to be near you. Part 3 Conclusion. The engine is ready. We have covered the mechanism of reality, pendulums, excess potential, external intention, feeling, and goals. You now understand how the system works. But understanding is not enough. You must act. The final piece of the puzzle is execution. Stop chasing the tail. Start walking your path. Part 3 is complete. In Part 4, we will finally teach you how to move your feet. Lecture 31. Just do it? No, just start. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.